So number 1 is signature, number 2 is classes of signature, number 3 is trace signature, and number 4 is indication of forgery. So number 1 is if ito signature, so muna ito ginagamit sa kanang magkuanta pila pog form, so di kina mawala ng signature para timailhan nga nagkuanta na nga form. Og number 2 is classes of forged signature. So takan tay klase sa forged of signature sa kaning kung saon pag trace or sa kadi signature or kung saon pag para mabalaan nato kung kana is trace or gikuan sa kuan na gisundugan niya or iyahagi na signature. Number 3 is trace signature. So ang sa trace signature is daghan tay klase sa trace signature. So number number 4 is indication of forgery. So kaning sa indication of forgery, so nagyapon tay mga classes of indication of forgery. So diri na ta sa nakauna signature. The name of a person written with own hands in a document as a sign of acknowledgement. So ang diri ang signature, so mo yung makita nato sa screen is example niyan is kaning signature sa katao. Is sunod is number 3, guided signature. A signature which is executed while the writer's hand or arm in steadied in any way is classified as a guided or assisted signature. So ang diri is kaning kung unsaon nato pag ang isa ka kung unsaon nato pag signature or unsaon nato pag pirma sa usa ka form kung natay klase-klase nga unsaon natong pag-style sa tong signature. So next is type of signature. So type of signature first is formal or incomplete. So diri ang sa formal or incomplete signature used in a signing very important document. So diri is kaning sa mga for example is kaning sa mga birth certificate, mga formal or incomplete signature sa mga form nga mga importante. Og diri sa next is informal or cursory used for routine documents. So for example nga ni sa informal or cursory signature is for example is kanang sa magbayad ta sa cashier kanang na-fill up nato, so kinahanglan lang gyud na pirmahan. So mo na ang sa ikaduha nga example is last is careless scribble used for not so important documents such as delivery of mail or receipt of purchase equipment. So for example kanang natay gipalit kanang example sa kanang sa nanginhanglan ta og nagbaligya ta tapos magkontak resibo. So basta niya na mo na ang the best example niya na. Next is classes of forged signatures. Simulated signatures. The free handwriting in imitation of model signature simulated with the model before forger. Here makes an efforts of obtain a reproduction of the model signature. He works slow strokes after stroke. So ang diri sa simulated signature is kaning nagiskot ni siya diri sa the free handwriting imitation of model signature. So kanang unsaon na to pag kuan sa tong signature is next is direct techniques. So forger works directly with ink. So ang kaning sa direct techniques is natay klase-klase nga pag unsaon nato sa atong unsaon nato pag kuan sa atong signature. Natay mga techniques ug sa diri sa number 2 is indirect techniques. Forger work first with pencil and afterwards covers the pencil stroke with ink. So ang kani ikaduha is gamitan pa nato sa pencil para i-trace ang isa ka signature, tapos sa pag ma-trace na nato so sapawon din nato og ballpen or other nga makakuan sa iya para ma-trace na tong isa ka signature. Tapos next is simulated freehand forgery used by forgers who have a certain skill in writing. After some practice, the forger tries to write a copy of the model quickly. So ang diri is kina-trace na to ang isa ka signature ginagamitan nato o ginatrace nato siya para makuha nato ang sakto nga signature sa katao. Ginakopy nato. Next is classes of forged signatures. Trace signatures are trace of genuine signature outline. So maura magyapon ni direct lahi ni. Direct tracing copy is made transmitted light. So ang kanin diri sa direct tracing is kanang gipailaluman nato sa, for example kaning sa atong suga sa cellphone, gipailaluman nato siya para maklaro ang iyang sa signature, agi signature ba, tas adisa nato i-copy. Tapos ang next is indirect tracing, forged use of carbon paper. So kabalo naman tani kaning sa carbon paper kanang sa mga resibo nga blue ang color. So ginagamit pud nato na para ginagamit sa katao para mag-trace og isa ka signature para masundog nimo ang isa ka signature sa tao. Tapos ang diri sa type of three signatures, carbon process. So mo ning example of carbon process kaning nasa screens. The forged place that document to be forged on the button interleave a place of carbon. So maklaro naman diri nga pag magsulat ta sa carbon is nay mabilin nga mga agi niya para masundog ang iyang line sa signature. Tapos next is type of trace signature. Indication process. The document containing the model signatures is placed on top of the forged document. The forger trace with considerable pressures over the genuine signatures using a pencil, pen, stylus, or similar instrument and creates a intended signatures outline on the document being forged. So ang diri is kaning maklaro nato diri kanang dili types kanang indication process is kanang dili kay kuan mang pagkasundog niya baka nang murag na ay similarity o na ay differentiate ang pagkuan niya pagkuan sa isa ka signature. So next is type of trace signatures, use of transmitted light. So mao nino ginagamit nato kaning ginagamitan nato transmitted light para ang signature is mas maklaro pa nato or kuan ang isa ka signature. The document to be forged is placed on the top of the document containing the genuine signatures. Amo na yung the best example ani. Next is type of trace signatures. Simple forgery. Forgery does not try to copy a model but writes with something resembling we ordinarily call signature. For this, he used a false name and makes a rapid stroke, distributing his usual writing by the adapting camouflage called disguise. So, ang diri sa simple forgery is gina-copy nato ang isa ka signature nga ginakopy nato ang isa ka signature which is ginagamitan nato kanang ng kuan niya lahi nga pangalan or kanang wala ka kailo nga kuan ginagamitan lahi nga pangalan para. Next is indication of forgery. Simulated and traced, tremulous, unbroken, connecting stroke between letters indicating points at which the writer has temporarily struck. B. No rhythm. C. Carefulness are usually care and deliberation. So ang diri is simulated and trace parang dili pagkaayo ang isa ka signature is dili kaayo sakto ang pagkuan niya or naay mga difference sa mga strokes or sa mga letters nga pag sundog sa isa ka signatures is. Number 13 is indication of forgery. Simple forgery. Writing habits of the write which include his general and individual's characteristic. Indication of forgery by means of stamp facsimile of genuine signature, flick stroke, no contact between upstroke and downstroke, deposit of ink the junction of two strokes or where two stroke cross each other, no variation, all signature will So superimposes over each other. So diri is simple forgeries kaning kuan daw no variation. So nang dili kayo sa kuan dili kayo parang dili kay kurog ang pagkuan ba dili kay lain ang pagkuan sa isa ka signature tapos plain stroke kanang plain ra gid siya nga pagkakuan dili nga kanang naay magkurog-kurog tapos no contact between upstroke and downstroke. So next is indication of genuineness. So this is a graph to report. So carelessness, spontaneity, alternation of thick and thick strokes, speed, simplification, upright letters, and intersperse interspersed with slanting letters, the upward stroke to a thicker third-like tracing, rhythm, good line quality variation. So the next is suggested step in the examination of signature. The first is place the question and the standard signatures in the center position or slide by slide for simultaneous viewing of the various elements and characteristics. So second is the first elements to be considered the handwriting movement of the manner of execution, slow deliberate, rapid, etc. The fundamental difference existing between a genuine signature and a almost perfect forgery is the manner of execution. So the third is second element examine is the quality of the presence of tremors, smooth, fluent, or hesitation. Defect in the quality is only appreciated when simultaneous viewing is made. So the next is identification of genuineness. Murag po number 4, examination, beginning and ending lines they are very significant determine whether the appearance blunt club shape taper or vanishing. Number 5 is design and structure of the letters determine as to roundness, smoothness, angularity, and the direction. Each individual has a different concept of letter design. Number 4 is number 6 is look for present of retouching or patching. So ang diri sa retouching or patching kanang gidungan nimo ang isa ka letter yung imong gisumpay ug ang connecting stroke slant reduce size lateral spacing. Stroke ang slant niya ug ang radio ug size ang lateral spacing is. So next is design and structures of letters determine as the roundness, smoothness, angularity, and direction. Each individual has a different concept of letters design. So method of signatures tracing. Carbon outline method. Carbon paper is inserted between original and false documents. So ang thing sa carbon papers is muna yung ginagamit na to para ang isa ka signature is mas kuan na to ma sundog or ma copy sa isa ka another paper ang isa ka signature. Indication process original document is placed over false one under it to be traced later using a pen or pencil. So indication process original document ang kani is kaning sa signature gihapon ning ginagamit ato para mag-trace ta sa mga letters or ginagamitan ni sa og pen or pencil. Next is transmitted light process. Light source is placed under a light. The original document is placed under the false one. The light source will illuminate both documents so that the writing on the original document will be see and traceable on the false one. So ang gani ginagamitan nato ni sa transmitted light para ang isa ka signature is masundong nato or makapin nato isa ka signature. And last is popular method of forging signatures. Freehand methods whereby the forger after careful practice replicates the signature by freehand, although the different method to perfect this often produce the most convincing result. So, though is trace over method of the sheet of paper containing the genuine signature is placed on the top of paper where the forgery is required. The signature is traced over appearing as a faint indication indentation on indentation on the sheet of paper underneath. And that's all. Thank you.